Hi everyone. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to add contacts to a list in Hubspot. This is an easy but powerful feature that keeps your marketing and client communication organized. Start by heading to hubspot.com and logging in to your account. Just click the login button in the top right corner and enter your details. Once you're in, take a moment to explore the HubSpot dashboard. This is where you'll find all the tools to improve your business operations. At the core is the CRM, which serves as the hub for managing your contacts and interactions. Now, let's add a contact to a list. From your contacts page, select the specific contact you'd like to work with. On their profile, click the Manage button to open contact options. From the drop-down, choose Add to List. Here you'll see the option to add the contact to either a static list or a dynamic list. Static lists are manually updated, while dynamic lists update automatically based on criteria you set. Next, search for the list you want, let's say something like samplefile.sv, and click Add. That's it. Your contact is now part of the selected list. This simple method helps you keep data organized and makes your marketing more targeted and efficient. Take some time to practice and explore other HubSpot list features to get the most out of your CRM. And that's how you add contacts to a list in HubSpot quick and easy.